here, going up to the hill there. This is a nice place to fly the drone, so you can have more view. There is the sea. We are going to this way here. So, look at you here. It's beautiful. You can see all. On one side, you can see the houses there, all this view. And the other side, look what a beautiful place this is. That is Glykoriza place. And down there is the sea, is the beach, which is going to make a video with drone. Look this beautiful place. Okay. Okay, in this moment now here, I want to show you my handmade base handle for my tablet. This is, yeah, I'm gonna put here to my, look, this, it's hung like this, okay, but first I need to remove this. Yeah, it takes me a little time, but I fix, look. Yeah. So, and it's easy to carry. Easy to carry. Like this. Then my tablet going like this. See how easy? Look. Okay. That is for the moment. I will try now to fly all this place there and all this. So my friend just came now.
Okay.
We fly together. Bye. So let's fly. Here we are. So I left you now, and I will make some beautiful video here. Okay, bye, thank you for watching.